If you need to remove a payment method from your eBay account, follow these simple steps to ensure the process is completed smoothly. Step 1. Sign into your eBay account. Log into your eBay account using your username and password. Make sure you are accessing the correct account where you want to remove the payment method. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Once logged in, navigate to the My eBay section at the top right of the page. Click on Account from the drop-down menu to access your account settings. Step 3. Access Payment Options. In the Account Settings, look for the Payments or Payment Methods section. Click on this option to view all the payment methods linked to your account. Step 4. Select the payment method to remove. Find the payment method you wish to remove. There should be an option next to it, such as Remove or Delete. Click on this option to initiate the removal process. Step 5. Confirm removal. A confirmation prompt will appear asking if you are sure you want to remove the payment method. Confirm your choice to complete the process. You should receive a notification that the payment method has been successfully removed. By following these steps, you can easily manage your payment methods on eBay. If you have any issues, consider reaching out to eBay customer support for assistance.